Hello everyone, this is INE Foundation Lab 3 and section 2.6 Layer 3 Etherchannel. Okay, let's refresh Etherchannel concept and I'll come back and conclude this section. Okay, Etherchannel. It is used to bundle multiple physical links into a single logical link. And spanning tree sees this logical link as a single link. And most of the time, the layer 2 Etherchannel is configured as a trunk. And most of the time it is configured as 802.1q other than ISL. And it can carry multiple VLANs, in other words, broadcast domains. We have also layer 3 Etherchannel. A layer 3 Etherchannel is like a single port configured in rooted mode with no switch port mode command. A rooted port is a physical port that behaves like a regular router interface. It is configured by no switch. If you configure no switch port on layer 2 switch, the switch must support layer 3 routing. If you configure no switch port, then that port will become rooted port. Then we can configure IP address on that interface. And there is no concept of VLAN, no layer 2 signaling protocol, including STP. And the switch does not switch traffic on that interface, but it will route that traffic. Another use for using another case for using layer 3 Etherchannel is to avoid a spanning tree protocol. Okay, we can configure Etherchannel either manually or dynamically. To configure Etherchannel manually, we specify our interfaces by interface command and bundle those physical interfaces into Etherchannel by channel group command. Channel-group and a number and mode is on. On means it is configured manually. We can configure Etherchannel dynamically by either PAGP or LACP. PAGP is a Cisco proprietary protocol and it has two status. One is desirable, the other one is auto. Desirable tries to create Etherchannel automatically by sending port aggregation packets. Desirable mode is active negotiation state. It is trying to create Etherchannel. Auto only creates Etherchannel when requested by other port. We have passive negotiation state in auto and it replies to received aggregation packets. And if one side is configured as desirable and the other side is desirable, Etherchannel will form. One side desirable, the other side auto, Etherchannel will form. One side auto, the other side desirable, Etherchannel will form. And if one side is auto, the other side is auto, Etherchannel will not form. One side should at least be desirable mode to Etherchannel can be formed. Okay, LACP is IEEE standard and like PAGP it has two states. One is active and the other one is passive. Active is like desirable in PAGP and passive is like auto in PAGP. Active tries to create link aggregation automatically by sending LACP packets and we have active negotiation state in active mode. Passive only creates link aggregation when requested by other port. It does not initiate LACP and it only replies to received LACP packets. And if one side is active, the other side is active, Etherchannel will form. One side active, other side passive, Etherchannel will form. One side passive, the other side active, Etherchannel will form. And one side passive, the other side is passive, Etherchannel will not form. One side should be at least be configured as active. We have also the kind of load balancing. It is not important here. The default option is so smart. And to configure the channel, layer 2 Etherchannel, we specify physical interfaces by interface range and bundle those physical interfaces into a Etherchannel by channel dash group command, and we specify our mode on PAGP or LACP. And we can specify other parameter by selecting that port channel. This is by interface port channel and number. This number is the channel group number, the same as the channel group number. And for layer 2 Etherchannel verification, we use show Etherchannel summary, show interface and our physical interface and switch port, and show interface port channel and a specified number, port channel number. And to configure layer 3 Etherchannel, we specify our physical interfaces by interface range, and here we have to specify no switch port to make those interfaces as rooted port, but no switch port, and bundle those interfaces into Etherchannel by channel dash group, specify our mode on PAGP or LACP, and select our port channel, interface port channel, and assign IP address to our Etherchannel by IP address command. IP address, and subnet mask on the interface port channel and channel group number. For layer 3 Etherchannel verification, we use show Etherchannel summary, show Etherchannel number, details, and show interface port dash channel number command. This is the channel group number, or port channel group number. Okay, that's it. This is our Etherchannel concept and how we can configure layer 3 and layer 2 Etherchannel. Let's configure our lab. We have to configure switch 1 links to switch 2 as layer 3 port dash channel number 12. Okay, in previous section we had configured layer 2 Etherchannel between switch 2 and switch 3, I think. Let's check. Show Etherchannel summary. We have S here. S means it is layer 2 Etherchannel. I think it's switch 2 there. Show Etherchannel summary, and we have layer 2 Etherchannel between switch 2 and switch 3. Now we have to configure links between switch 1 and switch 2 as layer 3 port channel number 12. Okay, let's show CDP neighbor. The links between these links: Ethernet 1/0 and 1/1. Okay, let's config T interface range Ethernet 1/0 and 1/1. Until 1. Yeah, I have to specify no switch port mode. It means those interfaces will become rooted port. Then I have to bundle those interfaces into Etherchannel group, and specify our number. I have to specify number 12, and it says user proprietary protocol to negotiate the channel. It is we have Cisco proprietary protocol is PAGP. LACP is open standard IEEE We have to use PAGP here, this proprietary protocol. Then mode should be to negotiate. It says to negotiate with desirable. We have desirable and auto. I will specify desirable. No shot. And I have to go interface put that channel and specify our channel group number is 12, and here I have to specify IP address. So IP address of this one and IP version 4 and IP version 6 IP addresses. X means for switch 2 should be 22, and for switch 1 should be 21. Okay, let's specify IP address 128 10 221, and just switch 2 should be 22, and submask is /24, and IP version 6 address for column 120 column 10 column and here it should be 22, 64. Let's configure switch 1. Switch 1 show CDP neighbor, and I have decided disable it. The interface should be this one. Ethernet 1/0 and 1/1. Config T interface range Ethernet 1/0 till 1. So no switch port, and channel group mode is desirable, no shot. Then I go into interface, put channel, put that channel, it should be 12, and specify IP addresses here. IP address should be 21, 255, and our IP version 6 address should be 21. Okay, now let's verify. If I tap show Etherchannel summary, now I have R instead of S. This is layer 3 and it is in use, and those interfaces are bundled into Etherchannel by PAGP protocol. This is proprietary protocol. Let's check here either. Show Etherchannel summary. We have 12 R in layer 3 PAGP and bundled those interfaces. Okay, before show interface port channel and specify our port channel number. I can verify it is up and connected, and this is our IP address. The other verification command switch for layer 2 and show the channel number details. Show the channel 12 and detail. These are our summary. So desirable, and this is all detailed information. Port says up and in bundled. Protocol PAGP. And so on. Okay, let's check our connectivity and ping to show IP interface brief. I have this IP address. Let's ping this interface, and it is working. Let's ping our IP version 6 interface brief. I have this IP address. Let's ping this IP address either, and it is working. Okay, that's it, and I hope you have enjoyed this video, and thank you for viewing.